We're launching a new series where we are trying to debunk a few myths with regards to cat, right? So we'll take up a few myths that are very commonly prevalent among students, which also hampers their preparation, and then try to tell you why it is or why it is not true, and maybe that will help you benefit in terms of your preparation. A normal myth a lot of people believe is that you require a lot of time to prepare for CAT. A lot of time in the sense a daily 12 plus hours or maybe to 16 hours a day of preparation will help you crack CAT. As a matter of fact, if you prepare for 12 hours plus per day, that is a sure shot way of not being able to ace CAT. Okay, a sure shot way. But if you really want to ace CAT, you cannot give more than 12 hours a day. There's a specific reason for it. CAT is a thinking based exam. So, what it basically tests you on is how are you able to think through the sum. The moment you study for more than 12 hours a day, your mind is saturated and you can't think. And because you can't think, it becomes very difficult for you to prepare for the exam. I'll give you an example. I had a student who used to actually prepare for around more than 12, 14 hours, 16 hours a day for CAT. I mean, day and night, it was like CAT, CAT, CAT. Prepare for CAT and prepared really hard. It's not that prepared hard for the examination. She left her job, prepared a long time, almost 9 months to 1 year for a CAT exam, and actually prepared for 14 to 16 hours a day. Okay, when the results came out, she performed miserably. I mean, she got even less than around 40 percentile or so overall in a CAT. I had mentioned to her earlier that don't prepare for a long time. It doesn't help. It is going to backfire. Okay, so she did perform miserably. Now what happened was she said, okay, I can't take a long break, let me join a job and write a CAT again. She didn't want to give up. She's a person who wants to give it as such. So next year she gave CAT, but she was working and she didn't get enough time to prepare for CAT. So CAT was sort of optional base, so she prepared maybe 3-4 hours a day and wrote the CAT. Now she scored a 80 plus percentile. She got into Goa Institute of Management. From there, she got one of the best placements from a campus. Okay, and she's doing an amazing job. Okay, so I mean, she was really good, no doubt about it. Okay, but what hampered her performance in the first year was she was preparing for a longer period of time. So I should look at she should come for doubt solving and she was in a real bad shape. She should really be stressed. She wanted to crack the CAT examination and put 12 14. I said, I try to tell her avoid doing that. So when you're preparing for CAT, the maximum you can prepare is 7 to 8 hours a day. I don't think you can prepare for more than that. If you prepare for more than that, it could create a negative impact and a positive impact. As a matter of fact, also this 7 to 8 hours should be interspersed with a lot of break in between. In a sense, like do something, some activities that you enjoy doing, so that creates a break from your studies. Because at a stretch, if you study for a long period of time, your mind will saturate and nothing will go in your mind, right? So have a proper plan with regards to preparation with proper breaks. Refresh your mind on regular intervals, and that should hopefully help you to improve your performance in the CAT examination, right? And people are working, a lot of people who work and crack the CAT, so they normally cannot give more than 3-4 hours a day. So normally CAT is not purely function of how much time you give. You have to give, you have to be regular, there's no question about it. But don't think that if you cannot give a lot of time per day, you will not be able to crack CAT. What is important in CAT is to be more regular in nature than maybe trying to cramp everything in short amount of time. I hope that helps. Thank you.